Like Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, and Neptune.
Mercury is the.
Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system.
Hmm.
Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Anyone planet called Earth.
And moon.
Moon
Uh,
is the
uh,
natural satellite
uh,
of the Earth.
okay. Moon revolves.
Moon revolves around the Earth.
Uh,
Earth revolves
uh,
around the sun.
perfect. Due to.
Earth's
Uh,
its own axis,
uh,
we can see
uh,
day,
uh,
and night.
perfect. I would like to.
I want to explore
Uh,
more about
uh,
universe. Come on, let's join my team.
mm,
Let's change the world.
mm,
This is Sani Ahi
mm.
signing off.
Thank you.